At the end of life, individuals often wonder whether there is any opportunity to make a conscious decision to end their life at an earlier time. And suicide is a very fraught issue that concerns a lot of people and makes a lot of professionals very anxious. However, there is a growing movement nationwide to allow physicians to counsel and assist patients who feel like the pain of continued life is unbearable and they would like to end their life early. That movement has not reached Arizona or Tucson in a legal sense. That is to say, we do not have legal physician-assisted suicide in Tucson or Arizona. A number of states now do have legal physician-assisted suicide. A number of those states are near Arizona. The entire West Coast, California, Washington, and Oregon have adopted variations of the program, but Arizona has not yet. That doesn't mean that there's no help for somebody who is considering whether it's appropriate to end their suffering. There are programs in Tucson that will talk to people about physician-assisted suicide. We'll talk to them about assistance with the mechanics. A lot of our clients ask if they could please put language in their powers of attorney that would allow someone to euthanize them at an appropriate time. Arizona does not recognize that language, and it probably has no effect. It might be a strong expression of what you wish, and that doesn't mean you can't say it in your documents, but it won't be effective in Arizona or really any other state, including the states that have physician-assisted suicide. None of them will allow another person to take your life. So if you feel very strongly about the way you want to end your life, you really need to talk to us about how to draft your powers of attorney so that your wishes are very clear and you've designated a person who understands exactly what they're supposed to do. If you're not in Tucson, you need to find an attorney who practices elder law, who has much of the same background that we do, so that you can get that kind of counseling. This is a very important issue of great concern to a lot of people, and we're eager to help you if you're in the Tucson area. You can find people who will help you understand what your choices are in other areas in the country as well.
Are you looking for an Arizona attorney to handle your estate planning, trust administration, guardianship, or probate? Call us today at 520-622-0400 or visit us online at elder-law.com.